What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Stanley Way. Today I am excited to introduce to you the electric motorized 125-inch screen from Akia Screens. Installation was very simple. For wall installation, just simply mount the screws onto the wall, and with the helper, just place the screen over the wall mount screws. The screen is actually light enough to be able to pick it up yourself and place it onto the wall mounts. Ceiling installation is a little bit more difficult than wall installation, but still can be done in a matter of minutes. We had no problems using the enclosed hardware. The cord was long enough to reach a plug, and the motor operation was smooth and quiet. We chose to plug the screen in before we hung it onto the ceiling. You might want to wait until afterwards for safety reasons, but even so, it worked out for us. The screen also has sufficient length that gives you the ability to adjust the screen vertically up and down to perfectly match your projector's position. And as you can see, there is no comparison to the Akia screen to my old screen. The Akia screen shows much vibrant colors. Also, you can see that the picture is a lot more clear, and I believe if I use the screen all the time, I would actually have to adjust the brightness of my projector down a bit. I really like the manual operation of the remote. You have 3 dedicated buttons. The top one is to move the screen up, the middle one is a stop, and the bottom one is to move the screen down. And what that does, it gives you the ability to place the screen vertically exactly where you want it. And as you can see, as I push the buttons up and down, you can see it's pretty precise. Up, down, stop, works pretty good. Also, again here, you can see the extra material that's given that allows you to be able to adjust the screen vertically a long ways, real close to the floor, all the way to the ceiling. Instead of having to move your projector every time, which is frustrating, as you know, trying to aim a projector, you can just easily bump the screen up and down and match it up exactly where your projector is set up. And one last comparison for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to check it out. Link is in the description. For a limited time, there's also a promo code for the Stanley Way viewers. If you're looking to buy one, check it out now before the promo code expires. See you guys next time.